Alright, straight to the point. We have two speakers, Skar Audio with the B2 audio. The both similar, looks wise, design wise is similar, but one of them is going to be the best selling and the very good reviewed the product. One of them is going to be new in the market, right? So Skar Audio TX65 and B2 Audio Rage 65. As you can see, the build, fit and finish quality is really good on the both speakers, very close to each other. But the Skar Audio being the cheaper speaker, there are a lot of people buying this speaker. So sensitivity, it's going to be 90 dB on the B2 Audio. Skar Audio, it's going to be 89. So very close specs. So on this video, you're going to watch the guys. What we're going to do is install this the both speakers to the box, and we're going to test with the factory head unit, and we're going to amplify them. We're going to throw those like minimum RMS power, and we're going to go all the specs, and we're going to put the tons of bass. We're going to put the tons of power. Then we're gonna see how these the units will compare to each other. So Skar Audio, spec wise, it's this one is gonna play around 45 hertz. Is a basic speaker. This goes to 20,000 hertz. B2 Audio, like a 4K speakers, it goes up to 30,000 hertz. I don't know why you need it, but the plate's a lot higher, it's like around 60-65 hertz, right? So the Skar Audio automatically basic speaker. In a lot of videos, I told you guys, I didn't put the side by side yet. This is my first video putting those speakers side by side, and we're gonna see how they perform. So spec wise, it's close to each other, but as I say, the Skar Audio is a bassy, but on my previous videos, Skar Audio will handle a lot of bass, and same thing with the B2 Audio. So let's put everything to the box and let's start the testing. Right, so we connected to install the box. As you can see, these the speakers play very close to each other. You're supposed to play close to each other, right? So this head unit represents your head unit, right? The factory head unit. Also, I have an amplifier. We're gonna run the Timpani amplifier. This one's 4-channel, the very nice amplifier. We're gonna run next couple of music with the amplifier right there, right? So the reason why I'm doing this, because you're gonna set up these speakers with the factory head unit, and I'm gonna tell you how this sounds, so you're gonna see how this sounds, right? Let's play some music, and here we have equalizer here, as you can see. We're gonna go to equalizer flat, so we're gonna add all the bass, all the clarity, so on. We're gonna give it some juice for these speakers. So let's go. Let's play some music. It's 50% volume. Both speakers playing. Skar playing.
Different sides, so we have to read between the lines. I don't think you're worth the trouble.
the sample music, right? I played a lot more because we don't have a lot of time. So as you can see, head unit works flawless, and when you put the side by side, it's total different scenario, guys. Skar Audio got destroyed with a lot of speakers, and the Skar Audio, this speaker destroyed a lot of different speakers, right, with the different price range. Some of them speakers was twice the price than Skar Audio, but these guys destroyed a lot of them. Now, as you can see, play the side by side, Skar Audio handles much better bass because it's a hertz-wise 45 hertz. This one's a 60 hertz. So the tweeter is a lot louder on the Skar Audio, right? Let's connect the timpani audio, this beast right here, tiny beast, and we're gonna see how this is gonna be the playing with the amplifier. Okay, I installed that amplifier, so let me try to fit this amplifier here, squeeze here. So this is a timpani audio 4-channel amplifier. As you can see, they say like the legitimate it goes to 100 watts per channel, and you can bridge the amplifier. It's a really nice amplifier here. So here's the deal. On the back you have even the filtration. This is, you see filtration. You can do the high pass, low pass, or the flat. So as you can see, if you're running for example the bass on this amplifier, you can do only the bass. You hear that? Only the bass playing. This is a flat, and this is a high pass. High pass, it's gonna cut all the bass, and it's gonna be like for the mid-range speakers. So 2-channel, bridgeable, really nice amplifier for the price. I put the links on the description, you guys can check it. So now, amplifier, this is a gain. As I say, the volume, all that stuff, is both the same shit, doesn't matter. If you do the 100%, it's gonna start to distortion. So we're gonna do the 75% gain on the amplifier, right? Alright, this is the bassy music, right? So let's play and let's give some juice for these guys.
I don't think there's more that we can do. How come you think that I still owe you anything more than pain, more than the pouring rain? How can there be more to explain? No, I won't go down the drain, 'cause I was there too, always so true, always so blind. We were born restless minds, incompatible different sides, so we had to read between the lines. I don't think you're worth the trouble, trouble. I think it's over that you make it double. Some things are just so hard to let go, but I don't think you're worth the trouble anymore. For the green light from the start, this was an uphill fight. I was at the front, kicking all the way. Yeah. Woo. In so many ways, I feel right. No longer will you keep me up all night. No longer so true, no longer so blind.
Yeah, fun part is that I can play with the equalizer. As you can see, when you amplify, absolutely different sound, different notes. You're gonna hear a lot, much better music, right? And as you can see, both units at the 75%, right? So the rock and roll with both speakers, and after like 80% on this head unit, any head unit after 80%, you're gonna start hearing distortions. And the amplifier also, if you go to 85%, you're gonna start to hearing the distortions. So best scenario, cleanest sounds, it's gonna be for maximum for the both speakers. It's around like 80% on the both side. So you're gonna hear nice, clean music, right? Something like this.
Show me the whole damn game. Show me the whole damn game.
So this is the best part. As you can see, I will enjoy always, like, you know, torturing these speakers, giving a lot of bass to feel it. Surprisingly, they get both really loud. So the Skar Audio always loud, always the tweeters are very nice and bright. It's placed right away. It's like tweeters are more detailed. But the louder you get, more tweeters, more details gets on the B2 audio. So let's wrap up. It's an amazing amplifier. You don't need huge amplifier, a lot of wires. If you have these kind of 4 speakers or 8 speakers, you can run through this amplifier, right? Surprisingly budget-friendly amplifier, and plays really good, clean amplifier, as you can see with a lot of options. Also, head unit, I put the links in the description. If they left any sales, it's a great working head unit with the GPS navigation, all that stuff, right? I'm not trying to sell anything, but it's just giving you, if you need something budget stuff, this is the way to go. Right, if you made up to this part, that's great. So as you can see, the both speakers tested side by side, with the bass, without the bass, amplifier, without the amplifier, right? So what I can say, as I always told you, is that no matter how the specs it shows all over the place, when you put the side by side, it's going to be totally different scenario, right? The Skar Audio sensitivity wise is lower, but as you can see, because the tweeter is louder, it's right away kind of the plays louder. But the other speakers with the higher sensitivity, it plays the higher volume at the low power. So if you want the most balanced speaker and the more details on the music, this tweeter goes up to 30,000 Hertz, as I said before. And yes, it's more details on the music, but the Skar Audio tweeter is brighter. That's why it shows like a better tweeter. If you want the most balanced speaker, definitely go to with the B2 Audio. And the B2 Audio is a less bass. The bass handle wise, the Skar Audio handles a lot more bass without getting distortion. Both doesn't get the distortion at all. So what I can say, with the amplifier, both it's perform amazing. B2 Audio, it opens up a lot more when the amplifier and gets higher volume. Because this part is lighter than the Skar Audios, right? The bass is not the shaky bass on this one, but really good punchy the bass, but the shakes also not bad. But the Skar Audio, it shakes a lot more. All the cabinets, everything, it shakes more on the Skar Audio. If you have amplifier, definitely when you want to amplify, so we'll go with the Skar Audio. If you have a factory, the sound system, you see that this one is supposed to be play a little bit higher, but it's from the lower, it's both the plays the same. So the winner wise, comment below what you guys think. You listen, actually use the headphones, you listen the sound quality. I record with the nice microphone for you guys, so you can able to catch, you know, the details when I'm playing with the equalizer, all that stuff, right? So they're both great speakers. Skar Audio cheaper. So the Skar Audio is the bad and good side. Why I don't like the Skar Audio, they have a cheap speakers, right? But when you buy the Skar Audio, the price is cheap, so they're cheaper than any other speakers, right? When you buy it, like usually when you order the cheap stuff, you open it and say, oh, I spent cheap, right? So this is what I have. But with the Skar Audio, that doesn't happen. So no matter what kind of speaker you order, even the $20 speakers, they have Skar Audio, right? You order, when you connect it, say, well, that's fine, $20, not bad, right? But other companies, when you order the speakers, you open it, when it's cheap, you feel it. When it's expensive, sometimes you scratch your head, why I spend so much money, but that doesn't sound at all. So that's why my channel, if you're new to my channel, definitely watch my other videos and subscribe to my channel, hit the like, and share this video to your friends who wants to buy one of these speakers. So I seen a couple of videos, Skar Audio guys, don't buy for the Harley Davidson, the motorcycle, these speakers. Yes, very good speakers, but this speakers needs a bigger cabin. So your saddlebag, your you know, the fairings doesn't have to prove any audio, like any bass. So you don't have bass from these speakers. So why are you guys ordering the Skar Audio and installing for the motorcycle? It's like, I don't know. whoever wants to sell a Skar Audio for motorcycles, like you just, you know, throw them just straight to the garbage. You have a lot of different speakers. It's best fit for the motorcycle, smaller doors, smaller the openings, right? Skar Audio needs for more cabin room and more bass, so it's gonna be bassy speaker. B2 Audio, another great product in the market, new. Yeah, I'm feeling a lot of people is gonna like this the speakers, because most balanced speakers, a lot, you know, for the like audio file quality. But I don't know if it's for the QC it's good or not. We're gonna test more speakers with them. Comment below what the next speakers you want, guys. I'm out also in the next video.